So good evening and very welcome. My name is Carl. This is the evening show on St Luke's Sound. We're going to take it all the way through till 9:30 this evening. And I have got an amazing person in the lounge this evening. Lindsay, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, Carl. How are you?
Fantastic. Yeah, all set up, ready for the live lounge?
Oh, yes.
It's brilliant to have you on board. And we've had a few messages in.
Have you really?
Yeah, we've had a few messages.
Excellent.
We've had one of our presenters, Phil Crabtree. He does a show on a weekday and then a morning show on a Saturday morning. He said, "You've got a friend in me." He loves that song.
Oh, it's not the one from Toy Story.
It's not the one from Toy Story.
It's the Carol King, You've Got a Friend.
He probably will know that. Knowing Phil. A couple of others. Diana Square has put "This Is Me."
Oh.
So there's a few people coming in. So it's between this and "This Is Me," and "You've Got a Friend" at the moment. So we'll keep it open for a little bit longer, and then we'll see from there. But so obviously the first song you're going to sing, what is it again?
This song was one of Charlotte, my first guide dog's particular favourites, and I do hope you're going to do the barking when it goes, "My Girl," woof woof. It's "My Girl" by The Temptations.
Fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip it and leave it up to you.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, baby, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl. Talking about my girl. I got so much honey that the bees envy me. I got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl. Talking about my girl. Ooh. Of fame, I got all the riches that a girl can claim. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl. Talking about my girl, talking about my girl, I've even got the month of May, my girl.
Lindsay, absolutely incredible. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St Luke's Sound.